Hello, hello, hello. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Como está, capo? Welcome to the Jewpino show. Today, we're out in the middle of my complex parking lot with big fat snowflakes. It's snowing pretty hard. Again. Today is March 3rd, 2026. Yeah, today's the 3rd. March 3rd, 2026. And I can't even see past the trees. So this is what we're looking at today. I'm outside in the snow. Snow. I don't know if you can see it. I can't get it on camera too well. But these are big fat snowflakes. The fattest snowflakes I ever seen. And lucky me, I'm out here drinking. I can't get it. Drinking. Oh, because I got it facing the back of the camera. Today's special is brought to you by sugar-free Dr. Pepper. Or Dr. Pepper Zero. Not sugar-free. Dr. Pepper Zero. That's what the show is brought to you by today. They're not even to sponsor my show yet. We're just drinking it because we're thirsty. All right. Thank you for watching the snowfall and watch me going crazy in the snow. I'm dancing in the snow. Snow. Drinking Dr. Pepper. Even though I shouldn't be drinking soda. But I'm having a good time. There were some kids over there. They were sliding down. I don't think I can get them. But they were sliding down. Let me... Okay. Anyway, I'm having a great time out in the snow. Snowing so hard. All right. Let's see it against I can get against the roof over there. Okay, I guess not. But it's piling up on my car. I'm gonna have to clean that off later. It's clean. And I hear airplanes out there. That's really weird. Who'd be having airplanes out in the snow? Okay. Here comes somebody down the driveway. Look at this guy. He's nuts. He's driving down the snow. He's driving out in the snow. I wonder where he's going. I hope it's an emergency. Okay. So thank you for watching the Jewpino Fat Snow Show. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. All right, I forgot something in the car. And I came out and those kids are sliding. Some big kids are sliding down the snow. Let's see how they do. Yeah, they're in the next building over. And I took my jacket off already because I forgot to get something out of the groceries out of the car. But they're going to go sledding pretty soon. There they go. Whee! They almost got that lady. But people are having fun in the snow. I can't believe it doesn't stop them. They're just out there cruising along. Here comes the other guy. Let's see if the other kid comes down and crashes into somebody. The lady. There he goes. Yay! Whee! Oh, somebody else is going up. Oh, some other kids are going up. But anyway, all right. Thank you for watching the sledding show. Big Fat Snow Show. All right. Thank you for watching. And look, I wasn't even in 5 minutes, and my footprints are already covered up in the snow. But okay. Oh my God, they're sledding so fast. And let's see if I can catch those. See how fat those snowflakes are? They're big fat snowflakes. They need to go on a diet. Okay, thank you. Well, let's see if I can catch them going down one more time. Just so I don't end the show on the tree. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the Jewpino channel. We love our subscribers. I keep popping up and down between 555 and 560. So, oh, don't run those people over. Don't get run over, childrens. So I keep running up and down between 555 and 560 subscribers. So I don't know what's going on, But I hope you subscribe and stick around so you can see more of my snow show. All right, thank you for watching, everybody. And, wee. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below, and hit the the bells or whatever you want to do. I'm begging for subscribers. After 3 years, I'm only up to 560, but I'm hoping for 1,000 one day. Maybe I'll get a miracle, and I'll get 1,000 subscribers. So tell your friends to subscribe, and let me know what you think of my show. Leave a comment below. Thank you.